In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tasks uncompletable in Todoist. This can be an incredibly useful feature for anyone looking to store information, keep track of important reminders, or manage notes that don't necessarily need to be marked as completed. Whether you're using Todoist for personal organization or professional projects, making certain tasks uncompletable can help maintain focus on what truly needs to be done while ensuring that crucial information is always accessible at your fingertips. Once you've logged into your Todoist account, let's dive right into how to create an uncompletable task. The process is straightforward and can seamlessly integrate into both your current and future task creations. So, when you're ready to add a new task or need to edit an existing one, there's a nifty little trick to ensure they remain uncompletable. What you'll want to do is start by typing an asterisk, the star symbol, followed by a space, and then you can enter your task title. For instance, if you want to store your Wi-Fi password in Todoist, simply type an asterisk, then a space, followed by the task title so it looks like this: Wi-Fi password. By doing this, the task cannot be marked as complete. Essentially, it transforms the task into a non-actionable item that rests comfortably within your list. The real beauty of this feature lies in its versatility. Uncompletable tasks are perfect for storing various forms of notes, reminders, or any type of valuable information that doesn't need actioning. Whether you're maintaining a list of useful links, storing attachments, or jotting down important details like passwords, uncompletable tasks serve numerous purposes. These tasks will remain fixed within your system, always visible and easily accessible. This method is particularly advantageous when you need to retain certain information over time without necessarily having to act on it. By employing this technique, you can maintain a clean and organized task list while ensuring important information stays readily retrievable. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your Todoist experience, enabling you to tailor it more specifically to your needs and preferences. So there you have it. We've explored the concept of making tasks uncompletable, the straightforward method to achieve it, and the various applications for this fantastic feature. I really hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your organizational process in Todoist. Remember, sometimes it's about keeping track of what truly matters rather than merely ticking off completed items. Thank you so much for watching, and happy organizing.